Host binding and host listener. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is host binding, what is host listener, how these are useful in custom directives. Simple example program to understand this. Generally, directives can be used with HTML elements, and these HTML elements are called as host elements. Generally, directives change the properties of the host elements or handle the events of the host element. If you want to change the properties of the host element, then we need to use host binding. If you want to handle the events of the host element, then we need to use host listener. Let us try to understand host binding. This host binding binds the directive property to the host element property. If any changes to in that directive properties, same changes reflects to the property of the host element. Let us try to understand simple example program. Here back color is a property that belongs to the directive of type string. Okay. Now if I want to bind this property to the host element property, then you have to use host binding. Host binding we need to specify the property of the host element within the parenthesis. Here style dot background color is the property of the host element, and it sets the background color of that host element. Okay, by using host binding, uh, back color property binds with the background color property of the host element. Okay, if any changes happens to this back color, same changes reflect to the background color of the host element. Suppose back color is assigned with the red string, so background color of the host element will be set with the red color. If the back color is changed to green, then the background of host element will be changed to the green color. Same way, we can set the properties of the class. We can set the properties or normal properties to the properties of the directive, or we can bind the attributes of the host element also. Next, host listener. Host listener allows us to handle the events of the host element. Generally, this host listener specifies the native DOM event, and it specifies the handler method. Whenever that specific DOM event occurs, then that handler method will be executed in directive. Suppose mouse over is an DOM event. Okay, if I want to bind this mouse over event to the handler method, then you have to use host listener. Host listener within parentheses you have to write the DOM event, then you have to write the handler method. Suppose if you want to pass any other information to this handler method, we can pass by using the host listener. Host listener, we need to specify the event, then that information we need to specify it as a set of string values, array of string values, and that data can be used as parameter to that handler method, and that parameter data can be used within the handler method. Let us try to understand all these things with simple example program. Okay, this is the simple example application which was created by the CLI. These are the app component. This is app module and routing module. Let me modify this app component for simplification. Let us add some div tag. Let me save it. Here we know that every HTML element has a style property. Okay, if I want to set the background color with some red color, then we have to specify like this. This we discussed in style binding. You can watch that video. Okay, let me save it and run the application. Yeah, successfully compiled. Let me see the output. Yeah, we can see that directive is set with the background color. Okay, now if I want to bind this property to the property of the directive, first we need to create the directive. To create the directive, ng generate directive. Let me put some name, highlight. Yeah, we can see the two files have been created related to directive. This is the directive class. This is the test cases file. Okay, now if I want to use this directive in a specific HTML element, we should use this selector. Let me take this selector. If I want to use it for this div tag, then you have to add it as a property to that div element. Okay, now let me modify this to bind this property to the directive class property. Then I have to go to directive class. Here first you have to import host binding. Okay, now let me create host binding. Then you have to specify property of that host element, that is style dot background color. Okay, let me put some property of the directive. Let me take the same type string. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now let me assign some color to this back color to some red color. This is the way we need to use host binding. Here back color is a property of the directive and style.background color is the host element property. So these two are binds with the host binding. So if some changes happens to this, same thing is happening to the property of the host element. Okay, now host element is the div element because we have used directive within this. So the div is the host element. So this property style.background color is binds to the property of this back color, and it will be changed as per this. Okay, let me run this application. Okay, now the background color is red color. Let me change it to some green color. Let me save it, and we can see that color is changed to green color. Okay, this is the way we need to use the host binding. One more is host listener, which is used to handle the events of the host element. Okay, let us take the same event that belongs to the div mouse over. When the mouse hovers this div element, let us modify the background color to some other color, and if it is coming out from that div tag, we will change it to some other color. Okay, to handle these events, we need to define host listener. So first we need to import that host listener. Okay, now host listener. Okay, here we need to specify DOM event. Let me put mouse mouse enter, mouse enter. Let me write some handler method. Okay, then let us modify this back color to some red color. Okay, Let's save it. That means when mouse enters to this background color, back color property is changed to red. So this is binds with the background color of the host element. So background color of host element will be changed as per this red color. Okay, let me try to this. Okay, change it to red color. Right now, let me write one more host listener where it will find mouse leave event. This is the handler method. We can give any name. This dot back color to some white color. Let us give. Let us save it. Let's see the output. Actual original color is green color. When it is over, red color. When it is coming out, white color. This is the way we can create the custom directives in Angular. Basically, custom directives change the properties of and events of the host element. So these can be handled by using host binding and host listener. Thank you.